Hello and welcome everybody to another video. I'm going to be covering a viewer's comment on the previous video of recycling water bottles and turning it into crypto. I checked out the best prices that I could possibly get from these four companies. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just showing this as an example. And I'm taking a look at the 24 count of water bottles. The best price was at this location for $2.99. So let's say I purchase the water bottles, it comes out, past $3, and then when I recycle it, each water bottle that's under 24 ounces is 5 cents. So I did the math, it comes out to $1.20. So we have $1.20. Let's just use this as an example. And after you do that, right, we go to the bank, and here are the banks. So if you're a member, you don't get charged. If you're a non-member, you get charged. If you go through like Coinstar, they take about 12.9%, which is ridiculous, and then 99 cents transaction fee. So yeah, you're gonna lose out on your money. Literally, I highly suggest not to use that place. But yeah, definitely. Okay, here's some banks. Here's some examples for you guys if you're looking to see if you're banking with these people, or even just go to your bank and ask them if they have a coin exchange machine, or just look around the place and see if they have one. If they do, perfect. And you're a member, perfect. Now we're going to use this as an example, right? So $1.20. Okay, it gives you this amount, right, of this crypto, and then we're going to switch it off to another one. Here's another one, right? And that's the amount that you would get for your $1.20. And this one is pretty good, 82 for $1.20. And we're going for this one and get that amount. And there is another website that I want to show you so you can see what kind of profit you would get. So let's switch over to that one. Oh yeah, let me show you one more. There you go. And you get 2 out of $1.20. All right. Let's go to... Wait, maybe I got one more? I'm thinking about it. Okay, yeah, let's go to the other one. All right, so for example, so here's this ticker, right? You put in $1.20, and let's say it's at the price. Let's just jump in the future. And let's say it's at XRP price, right? And that's around like $3. Bump it up. That's your profit right there. $7.48. Out of $1.20 if it hits $3. Let's do a couple more examples so you could see the capital gains that you guys would get. Now this is all in theory, honestly. I mean, you do your due diligence and take a look for yourself. But check this out. If it hits $3 for this one, you get $247.25 out of $1.20. That's mind blowing, right? Look at that. $247 for a 24 pack of water bottles. Like I understand there's also drive time and whatnot. Find the closest recycling place, right? Bank with a bank that has a coin machine, okay? And then if you're purchasing your water bottles, right? I mean, of course, you're gonna lose, but look at within the time, the appreciation, you get that money back and plus some. Or if you just find recycling water bottles laying around, whatnot, have no shame, pick it up, throw it in the trash bag, and then you don't even have to purchase a water bottle. You could get 24 recyclables, right? And then you basically got free money, and not just that, you invested your money. Now I want to make it clear, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just Arch Phoenix, just enjoying and showing you guys examples. But don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and share. Thank you guys.